Today we can discuss about the structure of a seed. Structure of a seed is gonna have much process. After that only, the seed goes into a sapling, then a plant, and finally into a tree. So let us discuss about the parts of the seed. The parts of the seed include the seed coat, cotyledons, hilum, micropyle, and the baby plant. The seed coat protects the seed and the baby plant inside it. This is called the baby plant. And next is called as the uh, hilum. The hilum shows where the seed was attached to the fruit, and there is a small scar below the hilum called as the micropyle. This micropyle shows absorbs the water and it gives water and nutrients for the baby plant. Now, inside the seed coat lies two fleshy parts called as the cotyledons. If you remove the seed coat carefully, we can see these two fleshy parts called as the seed leaves or cotyledons. Some seeds, such as peas, beans, and pulses, have two cotyledons. This is called as the dicotyledon. And some seeds, such as rice, maize, wheat, and bajra, have only one cotyledon called as the monocotyledon. The seed leaves store food and provide nourishment, the irrigation for the germinating seedling called as an embryo. The baby plant is also called as the embryo. This embryo, if this embryo gets the suitable conditions to grow into a new plant, then the germination of the process of the seeds start. The germination of the seeds. All seeds do not grow into new plants. Some are destroyed by harsh weather conditions, and some are eaten by birds and animals as food. Instead, only some seeds grow into new plants. A seed needs suitable conditions to grow into a new plant. The process of a seed producing a, a new baby plant or a seedling. A seedling is called as the process of germination. The three things necessary for the process of germination are water, sunlight, and favorable temperature. If any of these conditions are missing, the seed will not germinate. Germination begins when water enters the seed. Water makes the seed coat soft, thus enabling the seed coat to come out easily, softly, and that makes the seed coat to seedling to come out. The inside part of the seed coat is called as the seedling. The seedling is provided with air which gives oxygen for the seedling to breathe in, and sunlight provides warmth for the seedling to grow. If any of these conditions are missing, the seed will never germinate. And now, first the seed grows the roots because roots are very important than the shoot. First, the seed grows the roots, then the shoot grows. After that, the seed produces the plant. The roots lengthen with time, and the plant grows outward and carries out the process of photosynthesis. And makes its own food through water, sunlight, air, and warmth and favorable temperature. Now, the shoot, which is of the plant, grows into a stem that holds leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. Now let us move to the important facts. All the fruits and vegetables have seeds inside their surface, but only one fruit, strawberry, has the seeds outside of the fruit. Thank you. I hope I covered everything about the topic, the process of germination, and the structure of a seed. If you know anything about this topic, let me know in the comments below. And please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.